Morning guys, happy Tuesday. What is up? Welcome back to another vlog. It is bright and early. It's 9 in the morning. Not excited to bring you guys along on my day today. I haven't vlogged in a few days, but it's just because I've been working. But we officially get the keys in 3 days and I'm like in the best mood ever. Do you guys know when like you have something exciting coming up, like a trip or you're moving or you're getting married or like whatever the big event is, and you're just excited the whole week? That's literally how I feel. Like I'm just so happy all the time. But I just pulled up to get a massage, which is exciting. I haven't treated myself like this in a while. If you guys are new here, I actually slipped a second disc in my back about a year ago before COVID, like right before COVID, like in the fall before COVID. And I was going to physio weekly, chiro weekly, and massage weekly. And then with COVID and stuff, I stopped, and then life got busy, moved out, got a new job, yada, yada, yada. And I kind of like lost track of time. And I can feel my back acting up again, and I want to kind of just get a massage and get it like all loosened up and whatnot before we move, and then probably get one after we move again. So that's why I'm here. I'm not just like getting a massage for the fun of it, especially like in a lockdown. But I'm really excited about that. So we're gonna go in and get a massage, and then today's just gonna be such a fun video. We're gonna try the new Tim Hortons cold brew that came out, and then I have some packages to open, including my planner, which you guys are so excited about. And I have a meeting with my manager, and it's just gonna be a really fun day. So I can't wait to bring you guys along. I did make a little coffee before we left. This is just like one of the 5-ounce Nespresso pods, which is like my favorite if I'm like gonna have another coffee later on, like if I'm gonna go to a coffee shop or something. So I think it's a Rondio, really good and smooth. I love it. So I'm having this, but I'm actually about to head in to my massage. I'm actually trying a new place out that my sister-in-law recommended, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. But let's go in, get a massage. Guys, I just got out of my massage. Oh my gosh, I needed that so badly. I needed that. Wow. I struggle a lot with, I think you guys probably also know this, I just feel like I have a lot of chronic issues. You guys probably know I struggle with migraines from my concussions, and then another symptom I've noticed from my post-concussion syndrome is just like chronic body pain with the bariatric pressure change. So like the spring hits me hard, especially here in Canada where like the weather changes. Like this week it's been like spring, summer, and winter all in like a week, and so my body is just like aching, you know. But we're gonna head to Tim Hortons, which I never go to because honestly, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I don't love Tim Hortons iced coffee. I don't know if you guys have a place like this in the States. I feel like I hear this a lot about Dunkin', that it's like super hit or miss, like your coffee, and that's how Tim Hortons is. But they came out with cold brew yesterday. Not iced coffee, cold brew. So I figured we could give it a go. I'm a little nervous. I told Stella I'd get her a plain Timbit, so we're gonna do that. Every time I come to this end of town, we're moving to the East End, by the way, I always have to drive by our house. And last time I drove by it, they were moving, so I'm hoping now it's empty. And I just need to drive by it because I just have to. Like I just have to drive by it. So we're gonna drive by the house. I'm a little lost, but it's okay. So excited. We're gonna go see our house. Ah! Anyways, after this I'm gonna get coffee, not that I need it, but let's drive by our pretty house. I'm so excited. I'll give you guys a sneak peek at the outside because this is probably the only sneak peek you'll ever get. Alright. House. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. I'm gonna have to find a way to like block off the thing, but that's our house. I just got the Tim Hortons. They messed up my order, but if you know me, I'm not confrontational and I couldn't say anything. So I asked for a black one and they definitely didn't give it to me black. But it's fine. I'm just gonna drink it. And then, but guys, I didn't realize Tim Hortons had reusable cups like the Starbucks ones. These are really cute, and I think I like this more than Starbucks. But anyways, I want this. This is better than Starbucks. This lid is on so good. But anyways, it just looks like this. It's kind of like frosted. I don't know. I just think it's really cute. And then that lid is like really secured on there. Like I feel like the Starbucks ones are really cheap made. But I just think it's actually pretty cute. And yeah, so it's supposed to look like a little... Anyways, I just got this. It was $2.99. Obviously in Canada, we still can't order drinks in reusable cups, but one day. And then I just decided to really treat myself. I got a hash brown, and then I got Stella some plain Timbits, one black and one of like the vanilla sweet cream one to try, but instead he gave me one with like, this is literally so much cream, that's literally disgusting. This is what I'm talking about. Tim Hortons just like doesn't really get it. Like, that's a disgusting amount of cream in my opinion, but it's fine. This looks disgusting. So anyways, I'm gonna have to use the reusable straw because they also just didn't give me a straw and they didn't mix it. Okay, we're mixing it. This is already gonna be gross because it's so creamy. Honestly, tastes like a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. It's really good. I would definitely get less cream, and you can actually get almond milk at most Tim Hortons now, so I would get it with almond milk. I asked for almond milk as well and they gave me cream, so I'm gonna die today. But coffee ratio was like hella off in this. Like, I don't know what Tim Hortons thinks, that people like more milk in their coffee than coffee, but whatever. So anyways, I give that like, honestly, I'd give that like a solid 7 out of 10. I think it's definitely a lot better than their iced coffee. It's a bit stronger, but if you go, it's like such hit or miss. Like, I would just ask for a lot less cream because like that is disgusting. But overall, I think it's good, honestly. I would get it again. I'd probably order a black one, not gonna lie. I decided to get the balls to get the black one because I genuinely wanted to try what it was like black, and like this just ain't it. I'm sorry. Like, that is an atrocious amount of cream. As somebody who is like lactose intolerant, that is disgusting. So anyways, I'm gonna see if the lady was very nice, but okay, well, they couldn't take it, so now I have a lot of cold brews. What am I gonna do with all these cold brews, guys? SOS. Okay, a black cold brew review before. I hope they gave me cold brew, not iced coffee. This is why I pay the extra money to go to Starbucks, is because they just never get it right. That's really good. I find Tim Hortons iced coffee, not cold brew, very bitter. This is very smooth. I'll give this like I don't know. Like, if I could drink this black, and I can't drink Starbucks cold brew black. I don't find it as smooth. I'm gonna give this like an 8 on 10, honestly. I think in an ideal world, y'all should just ask for like a dash of cream if you're gonna get it, because when you just order regular, like, this is how it comes. So if you were to get it, I would suggest getting like a dash of cream or splash. But I really vibe with this. Overall, this is really good. I highly recommend. We're gonna go home and give Stella her Timbits. I don't know what to do with all these cold brews. I literally have too many of them. So, okay, let's go home. Hi, Stella. Hi, Stella. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. I got you treats. Do you want your treats? Do you want to go potty first? Can we go potty? Okay. Thank you. We trained her to sit when she, like, without saying sit when there's a treat. This is for you. Because you're a good girl. This is the current status of our office. It is like straight chaos. There's moving boxes everywhere. I'm trying to find the moving box with my office stuff. This is my dad's birthday present. Can't lose that. And I cleaned most of it out because I already packed some stuff, but I have like some journals and like pens and stuff I need to take out of here. And then I obviously just like want to give it a quick wipe down. But I think that side's empty. So I need to find the box. Crazy. It's definitely starting to hit me now that we're moving. Definitely, because most of the house is packed up. Matt and I have been just taking turns, obviously, because he went back to work today. So he packed up some stuff while I was at work yesterday, and I'm packing stuff up today. I'm gonna go and put the desk outside. Not big updates, just sold my desk. It looks so empty now. Look, it's just so empty. Just chilling. Are you just chilling on the floor? We're just chilling on the floor, huh? Is it so fun? Guys, I just got out of my meeting. It was so good. I love my team so much. Like, they're amazing. I'm working on this black coffee. I need to take a shower. I just, like, you know, you just feel gross. I feel gross. I also need to eat. I literally eaten a hash brown today, so I need to also eat. And yeah, my packages are here though, so we're gonna open those up in a little bit. I don't really have much computer work. It's a really slow week, which I'm like totally kind of okay with, if that makes sense, just with moving and stuff. Like, we had our meeting today and like we were like, we don't even have that much to talk about. Like, there's not much really going on here. But that's that. Oh, I do need to upload a video. I'm gonna do that right now. Today's video is going up late, which I haven't done in so long, but I had to, like, so much going on. So I'm gonna upload today's video, and then I don't know in what order, but I'm gonna shower and play. Actually, you know what, maybe we'll play I'm gonna go outside and throw the first video with Stella, and then I'll come in and take a shower, and then we'll do our little unboxing. So fun. I'm so excited. Today's a great day. I'm obviously about to take a shower, but I wanted to show you guys some of my new stuff that I've been loving. Loving the Coco and Eve buffing sugar. I don't know, I feel like in the summer especially, it's so nice to have like super smooth and nice like skin. So I really like using the buffing sugar to like exfoliate, and then our body moisturizer when I get out of the shower. I really, really love it. Dove dry scalp care shampoo and conditioner to try. It was actually on sale, so I just picked it up because we were running out, and I really, really love it so far. So this is what it looks like. I have a bit of dry scalp, not like crazy dandruff or anything, but obviously I feel like everyone has a little bit, so this has been really, really helpful. I really like it, and I like how it has the pump. I'm gonna take a shower, and then still I'll probably go play frisbee at the park. Alrighty guys, I just got out of the shower. We got a lot of packages. Let's open them. This is, I think, a PR package. Iconic Brewing Co. I work with them sometimes, and they sent over this. I've seen it a lot on Instagram. It's like a Caesar that's better for you, and Matt and I don't like Caesars, so I'm going to give these to my sister-in-law, but it says, we're tossing you a life raft. No sugar added, vegan, 4.5% alcohol, gluten-free, available at the LCBO. Wow, so cool. Introducing Canada's first better for you Caesar. Hey Carter, some Sundays are rougher than others. Introducing Life Raft, created to cure scary Sundays. That's so cute. And they just sent over 4 of these little Caesars, and I'm gonna give these to my sister-in-law because she loves Caesars. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. I love, love, love working with them. It's the same company that owns Cottage Springs. Love them. My Built Bars came. The coconut brownie chunk is like a limited release. I love coconut and I love brownie, so maybe we'll try one and give it a go. They just sold out, so I'm really glad I got my hands on a box. And then the thing that everyone's been wanting to see, I did take the plastic off the actual planner so I could like look at it first, which is why it looks disheveled, but I am so excited. And we have the little, wow, this is gorgeous. It says, let's embark on this journey together. I haven't gotten a discount code with them yet, but I do have a referral code, so if you guys are interested, DM me your email and I can send you the referral code. But oh my god, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. Like a customizable planner, so I even got to like customize the front that I wanted, and it just says weekly planner, and then it has the monthly stuff, and then it has special dates, which is nice. And then I got mine to start in May. You can get yours to start whenever, which is like really awesome because most planners you can't. But this is so cool. It has like little goals. So if you guys aren't into like mega goal setting, you can just set 3 goals, birthdays, events, things to remember. I love that it has a plain sheet. You have your monthly spread. And then this is what mine looks like. You guys obviously, like I said, you can personalize them. You can get them horizontal or vertical. And then you can actually customize all of the wording. So you can like make this box whatever you want. If you wanted this like bills due this week or to-dos. I made mine finance, and then I made like a little mood tracker. You can do water tracker, workout tracker. You can change like how big you want the to-do list. So I did social media, miscellaneous to do, and then this will just kind of be like my schedule for the day. And then down here I did workout. So that's how I customized mine. But this is so exciting. Write in it a little bit, and I'll let you guys know if the pages bleed or not, and let you guys know what I think. But so exciting. I'm so happy I have this. Not sponsored, but I wish. Okay guys, little update. I didn't fill much in, but I filled in some stuff to show you guys. So I just filled in some like my top bagel, and then I filled in some stuff here. And guys, okay, these are the highlighters I use. I feel like a lot of people use the mild liners, and I find it really hard to find a planner that the pages don't bleed through, and these pages don't bleed through like at all. Like you can't see any of this stuff over here, which is amazing. So I don't know what it is. Like even though I got the planner today, I had to fill in stuff for yesterday just like so it looks full. So I did some stuff. There it is there if you guys like want to see my kind of planner. And I really, really like it so far. I love it so much. So I just wanted to give you guys like a little update. The pages are really thick. Like you can't even see through anything, which is amazing. So that's, guys, it's been a minute. Sel and I went for a walk and let's do a podcast. Then I sat on the couch and watched some YouTube, and now we're gonna try one of the new Built Bars. I don't know, I just really want to try it. I've just been watching YouTube videos and relaxing, obviously showered, air dried my hair. And yeah, so let's give one of these a go. Typically, like with the other Built Bars, this is a salted caramel one. Typically they have 17 or 18 grams of protein and 4 grams of sugar. So this one just has a little more sugar, a little less protein, but that's okay. I feel like it's really small too. And I think the coconut one is actually probably my favorite, so I'm really excited. All right. I think it's a little smaller. Okay, it's definitely a little smaller than the normal ones. Like the normal one stops right here at the top, so it's a little smaller. But let's open it and see what it looks like. Oh my god, yum. So good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. If you've had the normal coconut Built Bar, it tastes like that, but there's like, you can't really see it, but like at the top here, there's like brownie batter. So it's like coconutty, and then you get like a little hit of brownie batter. This is so good. This might be my new fave. This flavor is amazing. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little chatty vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. And I will chat with you guys tomorrow when the first moving vlog comes.